So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view single family homes here on the realtor.com application. So the first thing you have to do is open up realtor.com. Once that is done, find an area that you're looking to find a single family homes. And so for this demonstration, I have the Phoenix, sort of Scottsdale area as this example. Now, once that is done, I simply just go to the Filters tab on the top left and press on Filters. Once you enter property type, press on any to open up this second option. Now as you can tell, everything that's checked off in green is what's showing up on the search. But if you're only looking for single family homes for this example, you can uncheck every single thing and keep single family homes and press on Apply. And once that is done, now only single family homes that are being listed will be showing up here on your map and in the search. So super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to view single family homes here on the realtor.com application. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.